Question number 31. The core of a earth is made up of metallic. Core of earth. Now let's learn about the layers of earth. There are 4 layers of earth: crust, mantle, outer core and inner core. Crust is the outer surface made of solid rocks and minerals. Next is mantle, that is made of solid rocks but not completely hard. Third, outer core is made up of hot liquid iron and nickel, and it creates magnetic field around the earth. Then the last one is inner core is made up of solid iron and nickel. It's as hot as the sun's surface and it's too much hot. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the videos and don't forget to subscribe. Number 32. The important country close to international date line is New Zealand. Number 33. Which of the following town is situated at the highest altitude? That is Lhasa. Lhasa is the capital city of Tibet in China, and it's also considered as the Holy Land in China. Number 34. Winter rain in Kashmir is due to Western disturbances in Kashmir and in winter. Number 35. Which is the longest day in the northern hemisphere? That is 21st June. Number 36. Equinox refers to 2 periods in a year when the days and nights are equal. So on the equator, days and nights are equal. I have tell you about that in the previous lecture. I will give you the link in the I button. You can listen that lecture as well. What about the remaining terms? The area near the equator is called tropics or tropical zone. Tropical zones are 2 zones like Tropic of Cancer, that is also called Northern Tropic, and the Tropic of Capricorn, that is also called the Southern Tropic. So the area near the equator is called tropics. A kind of pox affecting horses. It's a kind of disease called horse pox. Number C. Lines connecting points of equal altitude. It's called parallels. Number 37. The tide at its maximum height is known as spring tide, when the sun, moon and earth are in the straight line. And when these 3 are in the right angle position, then that is neap tide. Now let's learn about these 2 terms, that is tsunami and equinoxes. First we will learn about the tsunami. The phenomena we call tsunami is a series of large waves of extremely long wavelength and periods, usually generated by a violent, impulsive, undersea disturbances or activity near the coast or in the ocean. Next, the terms are equinox and solstice. Equinox is when day and night are of the same length in both of the hemispheres. This occurs twice a year, in spring or in autumn, when the sun is exactly above the equator. It's also called fall equinox and spring equinox. The dates are mentioned in the picture. Next term is solstice, is when day and night are longer or shorter in both hemispheres. This also occurs twice in a year, in winter and in summer. The date is of June and is of December. Mentioned in the picture as well. Number 38. Where is the coldest place in the world? Where is the coldest place in the world situated? That is Antarctica. Number 39. Which place in the world has the least rainfall? That is Africa. Least rainfall in Africa. Number 40. The international date line is an imaginary line extended from pole to pole. International date line extending from pole to pole along places on the earth's surface and lies along the 180-degree meridian. 180-degree meridian. If we talk about the international date line and pole to pole, then it is always 180 degree meridian. And if it's 0 degree meridian, then it's called prime meridian. Prime meridian. International date line is also known as lines of longitude and meridians, and it runs from North Pole to the South Pole. So these were the today's questions from 31 to 40. Please drop a like, leave a comment, share the videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.